welcome back to Crypto Market Updates. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start mining on your computer using your CPU without any hardware, without any gizmos, for free, very easily. Here we go. So the coin that we'll be mining with this miner is Monero. The platform that we'll be using is called Binance. It's I think a relatively new platform that just came out recently, 2018, 2023, so not so recent, and it has a numerous cryptocurrencies listed on its wallet, but Monero seems to be the only one that is mineable with this application, with this little miner, and which then can be converted into other cryptocurrencies. Just to show you quickly that this is actually working. So this is the front page of the Binance. Here is the actual miner, which you need to register with. When you get to the page, you need to register with it, make an account, basically entering your email. It's a two-step process. Here you can see listed my lifetime mined rewards for XMR. I've been mining for a few days. I saw a few videos on YouTube that were saying you could make $2 a day with this miner. Maybe that was true 3 or 4 months ago. Right now, I assume that due to the increase in the hash rate, that is no longer the case. However, it is still a way of mining Monero without having to add to expenses, without having to have any excessive technical knowledge on the setup of miners. So if you are very new to the crypto mining industry, but you would like to get involved, then this is a very easy way to get in on the action. Here is my wallet, and just to show you that I did get paid, and here you can see my withdrawals. I made it, I tested the app to see if it actually works. There is a minimum requirement for a withdrawal, and that's 0.0001 Monero, I believe. Yeah, minimum withdrawal amount is 0.0001 XMR. So once I hit 0.004, I withdrew, and you can see the withdrawal there. It's 2 Monero. There are fees involved. It's not 50% fees. There are fees for transactions. It's just a very small amount of Monero that I withdrew. That's why it looks like it's 50%. It actually isn't 50%. And you can see on my Monero wallet right here, it's been deposited in the Monero wallet. So it works. It happened 2 days ago, September 9th, 22/29/07. There is a transaction hash here, and here's the functional miner that you can download on your desktop. There's a little advertisement, which I guess they get a commission for, which helps these guys also. But basically, the miner, you set up the miner. It's very easy to run. Initially, you start on the website. So when you register, you will be registering here with the website, and you can start mining right here. Basically, just a matter of clicking start, and you start mining. You can speed this process up by downloading somewhere here, by downloading their app, by downloading the actual miner, which is this. Once you download that, you can begin mining on your laptop. You can adjust your mining difficulty here, or speed rather. You can pause your mining altogether, and this is on CPU mining. Once you have mined some, by mistake I pressed withdraw, which is why I don't have a lot of Monero in my wallet right now. But literally this just happened. If you look over here, this is the transaction record. I just withdrew it right now, 0.001 Monero XMR right now, and this happened at 5:48, literally just 20 minutes ago, today, 4:09:23. So this came out, and that's right now in here. And from here, I would need to basically, it's right here in my Monero wallet, and I would need to send it. Or I guess if I wanted to, I could exchange it for another cryptocurrency. So if I go into Monero, I've got my max Monero right here, and for EO. I guess I could exchange it for whatever other coin. 14 cents. That's how much it is worth. Monero right now is $140. So 0.001 is 14 cents. So that makes sense. So it's a very easy to use app. It works. You can mine. There are some fees, obviously, for transactions. Also, if you want to share the app with others, you get a bit of commissions, reference. So make sure if you're going to join, if you're going to decide to use this app, to make sure to follow the link in the description below, register with the ref link in the description below, and join the fun and start making yourself some extra Monero ASAP, because it's easy. Make sure to smash up the likes, subscribe to this channel, and of course get cracking on your mining experience, and come back for other videos pretty soon. See you later. Bye-bye.